In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Bitvavo. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, as you can see, we're currently here on Bitvavo. So I'm currently here logged into my account. Now the first thing you want to make sure is that you have verified your account. So if you come up to your profile at the top, and what you want to do is click onto verification, and you want to make sure you've completed the verification questionnaire and the identity verification, which you'll have to send something like a passport or driver's license, just some pictures through for them to verify your identification. Now once that's done, you also want to make sure you've added a bank account and made a deposit, and this is going to automatically verify your account. Now once you've done that, what you can do is come to the Bitvavo dashboard. So you want to click on dashboard up here, then you want to go ahead and locate Bitcoin. So it should be appearing in assets, one of the more popular ones, but if you can't see it here, you can use the search box and just go ahead and type Bitcoin. So once you've located Bitcoin, all you want to do is actually click onto Bitcoin itself, and that's going to take you across to a screen like this. From here, what you can do is go ahead and make a deposit if you've not done so already. And once you've gone ahead and made a deposit, this button here is going to say buy. So what you would do is click onto buy and choose the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Once that's done, just go ahead and press confirm, and you will be able to go ahead and buy Bitcoin on Bitvavo. So that is how to buy Bitcoin on Bitvavo. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.